Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So before I get started with this tutorial, I'm sick. That's why you guys can hear by my voice. I'm losing my voice and my throat really hurts when I talk, but I wanted to film a video for you guys because I had to post a new video every week. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing my first time using the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. So I'm gonna be using this foundation for the first time. I know this foundation is really old, but I actually purchased this foundation for Marshall for $10. And I couldn't pass that deal, and I'm really excited about this foundation because it's a luminous foundation. So I have dry skin, and with the word luminous, it goes really amazing with dry skin. If you are interested in knowing my thoughts about this foundation, keep on watching, and I'm just gonna start by applying the foundation, and then I'm gonna tell you guys my first impression.
Girl, I like your way every night and day.
Made of glass, it seems you're shattering a part of me, and I can take it. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins. My heart is so hollow, your voice is an arrow, making the pain. My heart is so hollow.
Taking the foundation, the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. I got it in the shade 10. I'm shaking it well because it says to shake it well before use. But this is a really old foundation, it's not new. So I know that you guys have seen this, but if you haven't, this is how it looks like. So when you close it, it just makes a sound. Comes with a dropper, and I just have to squeeze just to get some products inside.
Yep, that's right.
And I'm gonna be taking the Morphe M444 brush. This is just one pump. As you guys can see, my face looks so luminous. So it's really a luminous foundation, and me that I have dry skin, I love that. This foundation gives me a medium coverage. It doesn't give me a full coverage, but this is just one pump. I'm gonna apply one more time just to see if it's gonna give me a full coverage when you build it more.
So my heart is so hollow.
A second quote, it's still giving me medium coverage. I know that I'm gonna be running out from foundation here because, like I tell you guys, I I am sick right now. I see foundation building up around my nose here. I still can see a little bit of redness in this side right here. I'm gonna finish with all of my makeup and I will be right back telling you guys my first impression about the foundation. Now that I have all of my makeup done, my first impression about this foundation is that I really like the foundation. It's really luminous, like you say. The only thing that I have concern about, well, not concern, but really bothers me, and that happens with every foundation, so I'm kind of like passing through it, is that the foundation built up on the side of my nose, like around the corner of my nose. But for now, I really like this foundation. It really do it. It's amazing for dry skin, and it's a really nice luminous foundation. Like I say, it is. I love the coverage. This foundation gives you a medium coverage. I'm really impressed with the foundation. I love that it makes a noise when it's secure, so I know that this foundation is not gonna dry up, because when you know that the foundation is secure, because you're gonna hear this, and the top in the middle has to go all the way down. And this foundation, the container is a glass container, it's not a plastic container. I have to be really careful if I want to travel with this, because I don't want it to drop and break. So that is it, my love, for this first impression, first impression of this foundation. Hope you guys found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. And as well, turn on your notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm gonna be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.